Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow other users of the ASKfm application to share your posts. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application and then you should tap on this home button down below on the left side corner of the screen. Tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen and then tap on this settings button that you can find on the right side in the middle and then click on account. Here scroll down a bit and you can see this allow other users to share my post. So in order to enable this function, all you have to do is tapping on this button on the right side next to it and then it will be turned on automatically. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.